Hi, Peter Wilson here. Now, I get a lot of questions, people asking me about striking correctly or punching correctly for self-defense. Personally, I would try my best to avoid actually punching. Now, a lot of people go to try and punch in the face or anything and end up hitting the head, and they end up hurting themselves more than the person that they're actually trying to escape from or defend themselves from. There's better ways of actually striking. What I like to do, I like to use palms. It hurts a lot less if you're striking, even if you hit them on the head. You're not going to break your hand or your knuckles. And it is very powerful and effective. I always like the saying, if you can use two, it's much better than one. But we're going to show some palm strikes. This is a mace ball, it's full with mace. This probably weighs about the same as me, even though it's only small, so it's very, very heavy. Alright, but what we're going to do is we're going to strike. Now what we're wanting to do is to strike with our palm here, not the fingers, right on the base of your palm. The heel of your palm, I think people call it. So we strike there, see how my fingers are pulled back slightly. I know you're not going to be thinking of this on a self-defense technique, oh I need to wait until... You're going to do it, but make sure you're not pointing your fingers forward, okay? So we strike on there. Make sure that if they've grabbed a hold of you, try and you're going to be a bit close, so just push away as hard as you can. Push. Like I say, I like to use two. If it was just one and you couldn't, you get the other one initially, then we just strike with one. Now, what I will do, I will say, if you're pushing forward, you want to be aiming for the nose and push straight forward. But even better is to push on here, underneath, and push up, sharply and hard, up and away, right? You're pushing on the jaw, it's going to take it on the vertebrae along here, it's going to cause a shock and damage, and it's going to really hurt them, very much like whiplash. But it's going to give you that chance of escaping, and that's what it's all about, okay? The ACE, self-defense, aware, control, escape. We're controlling the situation by the strike, and then obviously that gives us the chance to escape. So, the palms, if you had the chance of doing the double palms, and we push up and away like that. So, like I said, this is really heavy, it's not going to move as much, it's about the same weight as myself. But we're going to strike with the palms, up, and we push up and away. So you're aiming for that jaw, pushing up and away. That can cause a lot of shock to them. And if they're the kind of person that's going to be attacking people, that type of street thug, they're not looking for a fight. So that kind of shock is going to put them off anyway, right? They're going to want an easy victim, not like someone who's going to fight back and hurt them. Alright, so the palms, double palm strike, pushing back up like that.